Are ridge vents actually good at keeping your attic dry and cool when crazy weather like heavy snow or rain hits? So, ridge vents are designed to let hot air escape from your attic while pulling in cooler air from the eaves, right? But when you get extreme weather, think tons of snow piling up or rain pouring down. You might wonder if they still work. First off, make sure your ridge vent is installed properly with a good baffle system that stops snow or rain from sneaking inside. Also, it's smart to pair ridge vents with intake vents down low so air flows right through instead of getting stuck. If you notice ice dams forming on your roof during winter, that can block vents and mess with airflow, so fixing your attic insulation helps big time. Check that there's no debris or leaves clogging the vent openings, especially after storms. Another tip, choose ridge vents made from materials that resist moisture and won't rust, because that keeps them working longer. If you live somewhere with super heavy snow, consider adding additional ventilation support like soffit vents for extra airflow balance. Finally, regular maintenance is key. Inspect your roof and vents every season to catch problems before they get worse. One of the biggest mistakes people make with ridge vents in extreme weather is poor installation, which leads to leaks or blocked airflow. Always hire pros who know what they're doing. Another common issue is ignoring attic insulation and ventilation balance. If cold air can't get in to replace hot air going out, vents won't work right, so fix insulation gaps and add intake vents. The third problem is neglecting regular vent inspections after storms or snowfall. Clogged or damaged vents cause moisture buildup and roof damage. To fix these, get a professional checkup at least once a year, clear debris promptly, and upgrade old vents to weather-resistant models if needed. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find trusted local contractors who really know their stuff about things like proper ridge vent installation and roofing fixes. Plus, it's a great place for contractors to connect with people needing their skills, making the whole process easier for everyone involved.